Hello everyone, I'm Eugene Martinez and I'm from Kaabo, Philippines. Today we're privileged to visit the Kaabo factory here at Ningbo. And I want to show you as partner how they process the orders when we try to get new parts, when we order our scooters, and let's see how fast or how is the system in ordering a Kaabo electric scooter. Come join me and let's see what's inside the Kaabo factory. Let's go. Okay, so here we are at the hallway of the Kaabo factory where you can see paintings of Kaabo scooters, the logo, and a very artistic wall that shows the innovation and the milestones of Kaabo electric scooters. And on the other side, you can see the patent wall. So all parts and accessories from Kaabo scooters are patented. Everything here shows that every design is made by Kaabo and it's patented and cannot be copied by other scooter companies. So there's a lot of these patent certificates, and it's really good to have that. You feel confident because it passed a certain standard that makes our scooters very strong and high quality. So let's go inside. So here they have offices for accounting. They also have, of course, this is the general manager's office, the CEO. And here in this hallway, there are two conference rooms. This is a tea room, this is a conference room, and they have this pantry area. This pantry area is for the employees of Kaabo scooters. They have coffee, they have tea, you can reheat your food, they have a refrigerator, so it's very convenient for visitors, for employees, and as well as the whole staff of Kaabo scooters. Okay, so this is where it starts, for the sales department. This is the whole sales department, and once you place an order as a dealer, it goes here from one of the officers or the sales agents of Kaabo. So today, we're dealing with Alina. Hello, Alina. Alina is handling South America clients. So let's see. We will show you once you place an order what will happen and show you the whole process. Okay, so once we place an order, Alina, as a sales agent, will encode all the details to their system. So after encoding everything, she will press the submit button and it will go directly to the system and will be forwarded to the production manager. So let's check on the production manager. So after the sales agent encodes all the information or all the details from the dealer's order, the system will be sent to the production manager. So the production manager checks all the details from Alina's order sheet. So he double checks everything from the specifications, colors, and all the details of the scooters before printing it and making a pro forma invoice document. After double checking all the information, he will go to the printing office and get the document to be checked again by the sales agent. The sales agent then double checks all the information from the production manager to check and verify if everything is correct. So after the sales agent signs the pro forma invoice, the production manager now prepares a weekly plan for assembly. So here, he will plan everything on when will the production start and when will the production end. So checking all the materials, giving all the details on each scooter is very vital from this point. After preparing the weekly plan, he now prints 2 copies of the weekly plan to be submitted to the warehouse manager and the production manager. So the production manager now brings the weekly plan document to the warehouse manager. Now the warehouse manager receives the document and check if everything is good and confirmed. The production manager now gives it to the PMC to plan the schedule, to check the schedule and plan on the date of the assembly of the scooter. These are all Kaabo parts from their suppliers, and every single part of the Kaabo scooters are being checked in this area. So this is the inspection area. They check each and every part on its specifications, if it's correct and if it's in good quality. After this, they bring it inside the warehouse that will be added to their inventory. After receiving the weekly plan, the warehouse manager now gets all the necessary parts for your order. The production manager now prepares a copy of the weekly plan and gives it to the quality control and the production line. The production manager now gives a copy to the production line manager, and then he decides on which production line will be assembled and used for the customer's order. The production line manager now writes all the information from the weekly plan so the assembly person or the staff can see and check what model and the quantity that they need to produce. The production line has 2 parts. So this one is the pre-production and then the assembly line. For the pre-production, they start with the small parts like the motor hub, the tires, and the disc rotor. Here they prepare the other parts of the scooter like the side light for the Mantis King GT, the handlebars, the throttle, the brakes, all the small parts that will be used for the assembly line. They also have a separate preparation for the swing arms. So this is already assembled before bringing it to the assembly production line. We're now here at the laser marking area. This is the place where they engrave or laser print all the necessary brandings for the scooter. They print the logos and the serial numbers for each scooter. This is the assembly line. So this is where they assemble all the parts from the battery, from the motor, from the stem. Everything is being done here and it's being tested before quality control. After assembling the scooter, they are now brought here in the inspection product area. This is the quality control where they check everything from lights, the horn, motor hub, and they have a checklist to see that everything is good and working. They also do a test ride for every unit just to check that everything is good and ready for delivery. After testing all the scooters, they now put it here in the qualified products area. These are all qualified scooters already and ready for packaging. After the quality control testing, we are now on the last stage of the scooter assembly. For this one, they're checking all the charging ports and putting all the rubber mats on the scooters. And once everything is finished, it's now ready for packaging inside the box. So after the scooter has been checked, they will now put it inside the box and disassemble the handlebars and put all the necessary tools inside the styro. So they got the charger, they got the Allen, they got the logo and the rubber covers. Everything is now ready for shipping. So everything is now ready for shipping. They now have it inside the box and they have the customer number and the customer code with all the details of the scooter. This will now be waiting for the container to arrive and ready for shipping to every dealer. And these are now all the scooters ready for delivery. It normally takes 30 days to finish the whole assembly for it to be delivered to the partner. So that's all for this tour and thank you for watching.